Friday! Woohoo! And let's jump right into it. I'm continuing my Happy Mail Friday from last week, where I show you the mail that I got in the past 3 months. So I got this card from Stephanie to tell me that she moved. Thank you so much, Stephanie. I will put your new address in my address book, and I will, of course, reply to your card. Then I also got this amazing mail from my friend Rigmor. I hope I pronounced that right. I'm not sure if I do. But it was super cute. If you hear some noise, Link is trashing the place, as usual. So she sent me this one for my birthday. So let's open it. She is a wonderful card maker. And this is her beautiful birthday card for me. Hello, Link. You want to see my mail? Me? So this is the beautiful card that I received from her. I totally adore this. So I got this one for my birthday. And then I also got a Christmas card from her, which is also gorgeous. A gorgeous card. So pretty. Then I also received some goodies. Hi, Link. You can sit here if you just chill. Chill, Pussy, chill. So in here there are some die cuts, some tags in different colors. Beautiful colors. Then in here there are some beautiful butterflies, and these are fabric. And then we have this one which says Hello Cutie. Super cute. And in here there are some, I don't want to take the ribbon off. In here there are some miscellaneous chipboard pieces. Oh, I'm so sorry if you can hear Link, but he is in a cardboard box. So some miscellaneous chipboard pieces, which I really like. I love this one. And I love that one, of course, because they're butterflies. Then, so thank you so much, Rigmor. I hope to write you soon and make you a card. Then I got some mail from another Stephanie. And I love the envelope. So of course I'm going to reuse this. I really hope Link isn't too loud for you guys. It got stuck. Okay. So she made me this gorgeous pocket letter, and I totally love this, with this beautiful charm on there. Link! Link! Okay. With this beautiful charm on there and this clothespin. On the back there are some wonderful goodies. In this baggie there are, I can't even remember what everyone sent me. Stickers. Fall themed stickers, which are really pretty. And I love this paper clip. Then in here, I believe this was also a baggie. Yes. And she decorated this herself. It feels really cool. There are some beautiful mixed media pieces that I can use to collage with, which are beautiful. I love this one. I also love that one. Very beautiful. If I'm sound tired, I'm sorry. I'm super excited about my mail, but I'm still recovering from anemia, so I'm really tired really quick. So if I sound tired, I'm sorry for that. But I really wanted to show you what I got, and also wanted to show the people who I got this mail from that I actually got their mail, because some of them are waiting already for a long time for me to let them know that I got the mail. Then in this beautiful butterfly bag, there was, I can't remember what was in here. Oh yeah, also some cute little die cuts, fall themed, super cute. Oh, please get back in. Because I also have still lots of mail to show you after these ones that I'm going to show you in this video. So that was her beautiful, and I love this clip and beautiful washi tapes. So that is her beautiful pocket letter. Then in here is her letter, and I love this envelope, and she decorated it further with some stamps, but I love this airmail envelope stuff. And she wrote her letter on some handmade paper, I believe. Then in here there are some more goodies, some stickers and some washi samples, which I really like. I love these, and I love these stickers. And then this one, I love this one. I had to laugh when I saw this one. It says, camera focus, hashtag sorry not sorry. I think for myself, I had a life before we met. I'm generous with my feelings. I speak my mind. I have standards. Actually, I'm really sorry. So I love these little post-its, and then this is on the back. I love these. They make me really laugh. I can use them for my husband when I do something stupid, or when I'm not doing stupid and he's being stupid, you know. Then it was wrapped in this beautiful tissue paper, which I'm going to reuse. And then she made this baggie herself. I love it. It's beautiful, and it has a wax seal on the back. It's just gorgeous. And in here there are some used stamps, and I love these. They are gorgeous, and they will be perfect for some collage. So thank you so much for these. Then we have this baggie, and I also love what she made here. Change for no one and believe in who you are. And it was beautifully wrapped. And in here there's this cat, watercolor cat. I love this. And then in here there are some stickers. I believe these were all kitty stickers. And in here are two magnets, which I really like. She made me a domino. I also love this, and it's also a magnet. And she made me this, which I also really like. So thank you so much, Stephanie, for everything. You spoiled me. Like I said, with everyone, I hope to respond soon, but I cannot promise anything as I am still recovering. So let's move on to the next letter. Then this. So next is a letter from my pen pal Sayer. We write long letters to each other, so I love this. She also makes beautiful envelopes. I'm not showing my address because she has my home address and not my PO box, just so you know. Then this is her letter. I will look through it to see what I can show you. Let's see, I can show you this, because of course her letter is personal, but it is beautiful. So it is a fat one, as you can see. It's a fat letter. I love it. Then she sent me some washi samples and some daily journal pages for planning. And she made me a birthday card. And then in here she wrote some things. And she added this postcard, which is adorable. I love this. I will never give this away. This will be in my journal. For real. And in here, I went to visit her in the summer and I forgot to take this with me back home. She has sent me these in a letter. She made me some wax seals, which they are gorgeous. So I just need to put some sticky tape on there and then I can put them on my own letters, which is really, really cool. Thank you so much, Saya. I really need to respond to your letter. I need to write you back. Then the next one is from my friend Anne. She lives in Denmark and she also has her own YouTube channel. So if I don't forget, I will link her down below. And otherwise, Anne, promote yourself in my comment section. I will open this off screen because otherwise you can see her address. But I wanted to show you the beautiful, beautiful envelope she made. So this is what was inside and I totally love this. It was beautifully wrapped in this gorgeous wrapping and this will just go in my journal like this. So pretty. And there was this beautiful, beautiful card. And she does some amazing mixed media work. And I love her work. So here when I opened it, it was like this. So this was her letter to me. And then in here were some goodies. So I will show you what she gave me. A bunch of Christmas goodies. And they are adorable. Some snowflakes and all these Christmas. And I will save these for next year Christmas. For my journals. Some Christmas stamps. Some used stamps, which are beautiful. She made me an ATC. I love this. I really love this one. This one will go up on my wall where I stick of almost all my Happy Meals I get. There goes something up on my wall. And then some washi samples, which I really, really like. So that was my mail from Anne. So I'll just put this back. And then I have one more mail left for this video. And that is this one. And this one is from my friend Lucy. She is one of the YouTube art journal, Take 5 art journal collaboration ladies. Whoa, what a word. And she made all of us a beautiful card. And this is mine. And I love it. And she has sewn this and it feels lovely and beautiful. And when I have the time, I will send you something back, Lucy. Thank you so much for this beautiful card. So that was Happy Mail Friday for this week. I have still more mail to share with you, so I will post that video next week, I think. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And I would love it if you would consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you all next time. Bye!